Say hi, TikTok.
Do I even have to ask if it's good? Your face says it all.
You okay? Huh? You scared me.
Oh my god.